In this video I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as a compass. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open App Store on your iPhone, then searching for compass. Then here it is, lots of compass application here, but we are going to check Apple compass here, and here showing Apple. So then open it, and here it is, and here showing directions. As you can see, if I move this phone, and it's showing my directions. Currently west is in this here way, and east and south and north. It's actually most of the time accurate, but not 100%. And here's also showing the current locations and elevations here. So as you can see, if using right way, and it will work same. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.